Today we're learning about acids and bases. So we have 4 solutions here: vinegar, lemon juice, water and milk of magnesia. So Oisín, what paper will we use to test to see if each of these is an acid or a base?
Litmus paper.
Good man, litmus paper, excellent. So which paper are you going to test each of them with first?
The blue litmus paper.
Well done, perfect. And what will the blue litmus paper tell us?
If it's an acid.
Great, and how will it tell us that?
It will turn red.
Wonderful, okay. So if you go ahead, Oisín, and test each of these 4 solutions with the blue litmus paper, please. You can leave it underneath the label. Perfect. Very good. We'll test all 4 and then we'll make a decision on each of them. So you've done the vinegar, the lemon juice, now the water, and finally the milk of magnesia. Very good. So what conclusion can you tell from the results there for the vinegar and the lemon juice?
They're acids.
Very good. How can you tell?
Because they turn red.
Great stuff. Now, what can we tell anything about the water, the milk of magnesia yet?
No.
No, we can't tell anything else yet. So, to find out if any of the solutions are bases, we'll have to use which paper?
The red litmus paper.
Good man. And what colour will it go, Oisín?
Blue.
Wonderful. So go ahead. If you test the 4 solutions then with the red litmus, and we'll see what happens. Very good, Oisín. Excellent. Now, when you tested there with the red litmus, which changed colour there, Oisín?
The milk of magnesia.
Very good. And what colour did it go?
Blue.
Excellent. So what does that tell us?
That it's a base.
Wonderful. And did anything happen with the water?
No.
No. Very good. So can we put in our labels for each of these then? Great stuff. So that tells us that vinegar is an
Acid.
lemon juice is an
Acid.
water is,
Neutral.
and milk of magnesia is a
Base.
very good. Excellent. So now we're going to have to test to see what the pH is. So Rose, what paper will we use to decide what the pH of each of these solutions is?
A universal indicator paper.
Excellent. And Carl, how will the universal indicator paper tell us what pH it is?
We will match it to a scale and show the colour.
Very good. So the colour that we see will match to a code, and the number of the code is the pH. Very good. So we'll just bring the code in here so we can match it. And Oisín, you have 4 pieces of universal indicator paper, so if you don't mind, if you could test each of those, please. Good. And the water, very good. Very good. Now we'll just hold them in against the scale here. We'll match the colours. So Oisín, what colour did the acid, the vinegar and the lemon juice both go?
Red.
Yes, and what number does it match to?
pH 3.
Good. So if you put in the label for both of those, please. Very good. Excellent. And then we had our water. And what colour did it match to?
7.
Very good. So that means it's?
pH 7.
Yeah, and it's neutral. Excellent. And our last one here. It's a little bit more difficult to see, but what colour do you think is the closest there?
10.
Yeah, so we'll just... it's between 9 and 10. Yeah, so that's perfect. It's a little bit hard to see the colour there. So it's definitely a base. So that's how we use litmus to tell if you have an acid or a base, and you use universal indicator to tell what the pH, in other words, how strong the acid or a base is.